In this tutorial, we'll explain slots and actions. Slots are the key variables that are collected from a user during a conversation. So just going back to our previous example with the compiling of participants list, the key slots or the key variables were gender, email address, name, and age. Let's save these slots. Now in actions, I will create the new action. Let's call it list of participants. Okay. And then in our input slots, we've already shown them as gender, email address, and name. That's why we can choose from these. They're already here. So it's gender, and then let me put another input slot, which was email address, then name, and the last one was age. If you'd like to be notified when the new responses will come in, you can tick this one. Now, the AI should not only respond, but also structure and keep the information. It has to keep it somewhere. So let's say that we will keep it in our spreadsheet. You can create the new spreadsheet or choose from one of those that were created before. I've already created the list of participants, so let me choose this one. Okay, I've saved my action, and then I go back to my dialog scenarios. Now, before I perform my action, and these are the slots that I've already done, I need to make sure that the AI will learn from our mock dialog, and therefore I will transfer the answers from the user as they are. So the email address was previously given as this one. The name was given as Arman, and the age was given as 34. Let's perform an action. Okay, this message will be hidden. It won't be shown. So you would like, if you would like to pop in the terminal message to your user as a chatbot, you can say, once you've finished, you can say, thank you, thanks, your results were recorded, or any other email, any other message. All right, so let's now finish the dialog. Okay, and let's go to our spread. Let's go to the home page and test it. So we can test the chatbot logic and see whether it has stored our slots in an appropriate manner. So let's restart again. So let's say I'd like to participate. Let's say, let's keep it just differently. Let's say that I'm female, not male. And let's put a different email address and see whether it's stored or not. Name is Anwar, and let's say my name is Anwar, and I am 30 years old. Okay, so the results were recorded, and let's go back to, let's renew the page. Let's go back to the spreadsheets. So Our spreadsheet was named as list of participants. Okay, so as you can see, the new, so I've just done it. The new email address with the new data is already recorded.
In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use a different channel. So far, we have been using Web Widget. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram. So for Telegram integration, you have to create a Telegram bot using a bot father and then put its API token in this section. Okay, let's now create a new bot. Go to the Telegram, go to the bot father, and then press new bot. So you have to give a name. Let's call it Web API chat and then bot. Okay. You can call it same. Good. So when you create the new one, the API token can be accessed here. So you can copy and paste it. Let's save the changes. Done. Now let's go to the Telegram and let's test the new chatbot. Okay. In the template, I have chosen the reset service as we have shown before. So we're going to test this particular template. Okay, let me give the name and my phone number, which is 77. Okay. Okay, it has already sent a 4-digit SMS code, which is 88 and 99. Okay, yeah, it works on the Telegram chat as well. That's it for today.